رفقای خوبم سلام، امیدوارم که حالتون همیشه خیلی خوب و عالی باشه. به جلسه سوم از دوره پادکست های روان انگلیسی روزانه یک موضوع، پارت سوم. این پادکست های روان و پارت های مختلف که تقدیم حضورتون شد برای سطح مبتدی هستش. این پادکست ها طوری تنظیم شده که برای سطوح مختلف منتشر بشه. سطح بندی هایی که ما انجام دادیم کاملا بر اساس توانایی های شما برای تقویت مهارت لیسینینگ طراحی شده. شما ما بین کلاس های مختلفتون یا در حین رانندگی یا موقع استراحتتون میتونید به این پادکست ها گوش بدید. البته حمایت های شما باعث میشه که ما روز به روز پیشرفت بکنیم و این محتوای رایگان و در دسترس عموم قرار بگیره. امیدوارم این جلسه سوم براتون خیلی مفید باشه. موضوع این پادکست قراره راجع به اولین شغلی که من در سن 18 سالگی انجام دادم رو براتون به انگلیسی شرح بدم. بریم. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English podcast. This is season number 3 and it's for beginner students. Today I want to tell you about my first job. When I was 18 years old, I started my first job. It was in a small grocery shop. It was in a small grocery shop. It was in a small grocery shop. The shop was only 5 minutes from my house. I could walk there every morning. My job was simple but new for me. I had to say hello to customers. I carried bags for old people. And I cleaned the floor when it was dirty. And I cleaned the floor when it was dirty. On the first day, I was very nervous. On the first day, I was very nervous. I did not know what to say. Sometimes I forgot the prices. Sometimes I forgot the prices. But my boss was kind and patient. But my boss was kind and patient. He taught me slowly, step by step. After 1 week, I felt more confident. After 1 week, I felt more confident. I could smile and talk to people. I could smile and talk to people. I learned how to ask, do you need a bag? Do you need a bag? Or, can I help you? Can I help you? These small sentences made my English better too. These small sentences made my English better too. I remember one funny story. One customer asked for apples, but I gave him oranges by mistakes. He laughed and I laughed too. He laughed and I laughed too. After After that, I never forgot the difference. After that, I never forgot the difference. Sometimes the work was hard. Sometimes the work was hard. I had to stand for many hours. I had to stand for many hours. My legs were tired and my back hurt. My legs were tired and my back hurt. Hurt. But I told myself, this is good practice for life. This is good practice for life. My first job was not perfect, but it was very important. It gave me new skills. It taught me how to work with people. It taught me how to work with people. And it helped me in my next jobs. So, my first job was a good teacher for me. First job was a good teacher for me. Now, it's your turn. What was your first job? Or what job would you like to have in the future? Tell me in comments. Thank you.